हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हाउ आर यू। आज मैं कुछ होम रेमेडीज बताने जाने वाले हूँ अबाउट हेडेक एंड माइग्रेन। बट व्हाट इज दिस हेडेक एंड माइग्रेन एंड व्हाई इट हैपन्स। बेसिकली हेडेक होता है वो आपको ठंड की वजह से होता होगा, बिकॉज ऑफ समर, कॉन्स्टिपेशन, बिकॉज ऑफ एम्प्टी स्टमक, डिहाइड्रेशन, इंसोमिनिया, देन हाइपरटेंशन की मेडिसिन से होता है, बर्थ कंट्रोल पिल्स लेने से होता है, बिफोर मेंसेस होता है, अगेन ईटिंग ऑफ सो मच ऑफ जंक फूड, उसमें जो शुगर एंड सॉल्ट का इंटेक ज़्यादा होता है विच डायरेक्टली अटैक ऑन योर नर्वस सिस्टम, उससे हेडेक होता है. देर आर सो मेनी रीजन्स एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट this headache or migraine happens, but no one knows what is the difference between headache and migraine. Both are correlated to each other, both are very near to each other, but headache is the one जहाँ पे आपको हेड से लेके नेक तक पेन होता है, वेयर एज माइग्रेन जो है वो स्पेसिफिक पोर्शन के लिए होता है, लाइक ब्रेन की कई कई जगह पे, यहाँ से स्पेसिफिक जगह पे पेन होता है, अराउंड योर आईज होता है, and this pain sustained for 2 to almost 72 hours. So in between this you feel nauseous, vomiting होने की sensation आती है. This is migraine. Few remedies for headache and migraine. If you have a headache due to winter or cold, then in that case you can have a handful of roasted peanuts once in a day. It has a vitamin B3 which helps you in relaxing of your nerves. One more thing is there, soak 4 to 5 whole black peppers in a water, and then you can have it whole black peppers with a meal. It also works as a wonder. Secondly, if you have a headache or migraine due to summer, then you can have lemon and rock salt water. Also you can have infused water. Infused water in summer you can have made up of with cucumber and lemon, and in winter you can have infused water which is made up of ginger, tulsi leaves, then nutmeg powder and cinnamon powder. You can make a infused water of it. Again, if you have a headache due to insomnia, then you can have make a kada of cinnamon stick and nutmeg, and have that before you go to the bed. In winter, if you have a headache due to cold, then you can have, or you can make a kada of ginger and 4-5 tulsi leaves. It is very good for health. Secondly, if you have a headache due to the sunlight in summer season, then you can have, before going out in summer season, you can have coconut water, lassi or lemon juice, or also vegetable juice also you can have. Also in summer, always keep watermelon seeds in your pocket or purse. Whenever you feel headache is just started, you can have them 2-3 tablespoons. It will help you to minimize the effect of headache. Intake of tea and coffee also creates headache, like you are making them as a stimulator, like at particular specific time, if I don't have tea or coffee, my headache will start. But this is like you are making habit to your body that particular time you have to have it, but slowly, gradually decrease this intake, you will not feel headache. Now some remedies, if you want to apply in for the instant result, are like, if you are facing migraine or headache, apply a powder of cinnamon powder mixed in a water, and on that particular portion. Again, essential oils like Primarose and rosemary works wonder. Do oiling or do head massage once in a week. That will help you a great for this relief from this headache and migraine. Again, if your headache is due to the constipation or because of gastric issues, you can put a hot bag on your abdomen. Also increase a fiber intake so that you will not face this issue. 3-4 days before your menses, when you are facing problem of headache, in that case soak saffron or black raisins in a water at night, and next day morning you can have that water. You will get relief. Simple home remedies to get rid from headache and migraine. Thank you.